orders of the day came in. Stacked sees the bagel, $10 going 6 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You too.
Your destination is on the right.
It's either this or the next one. I can't see. There's that. There you are.
Thank you so much.
I think the total ended up being higher for that second drop off because the total ended up being $11.50. I stopped to get some gas, and as I was pumping, I got my next order. It's a McDonald's, $10 going like 2 miles.
Thank you for it.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
What is this? Stacked order, $9 going 5 miles. 7-Eleven and Voodoo Donut. Sure, why not?
All right, here we are.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Take care of
You as well.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Next order just came in. It's a McDonald's, $7.25 going under 5 miles.
Oh, I see. Okay. There we go.
Thank you. Next order up is a Panera, $11 going 6.5 miles. Why do they lock that door? Hello, picking up for.
Yeah.
Thank you, you too. Got my next order right away. It's a shop and deliver for alcohol. $11.50 going 6 miles, 2 items. Morning. Just looking in the wrong spot. Hello.
Oh my God. Sounds like she's a German Shepherd. Good. The weather's kind of crappy, huh?
And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. This one might be a mistake, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it. It's a stacked order, Voodoo Donut and Black Rock Coffee. It's about the time where people are actually waking up, so I've got a feeling the coffee might be a long wait. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Thank you so much.
You have a great day.
Just got the stacked IHOP order. $12 going less than 5 miles. I'm right next to it, so let's see how they're doing today. I mean, they look busy, but I expected a lot more cars, to be honest, so. Thank you.
No, it is.
Yeah, I have to.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I was just waiting for Dawn. Thank you. I mean, the wait wasn't too bad. Still not the greatest order. I just wanted to chill out for a minute. Leave food on white plastic chair next to door. Thank you. Deliver ASAP in all caps. Like, what? Oh, of course it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. Thank you. Finally got my next order. It's a shop and deliver for alcohol. $16.50 going less than 6 miles. Only one item. back.
You look like you're barely old enough to be serving booze.
Me? No. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me.
There's an extra $5.
I appreciate that, man.
Thanks, man.
Yep, have a good one. I got tipped $10 in the app, and homie gave me another $5 in cash. Let's go. Pretty sure I just walked into a gender reveal party. All right, well, I'm kind of out of the way. So I think I'm just gonna be calling it here because it's gonna take me some time to get home. Current time is 11:13. Total is 120 because of the cash tip. That's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.